My goodness, send nodes, send Bitcoin puppets, send those quantum cats and send those honey badgers. Man, everything on Bitcoin, just send it all. Our friends are coming home from NFT Paris. I don't know if they're ready for what they're walking into here, because the NFT market is hitting 2024 highs in the past week here, and I think it's safe to say the real run hasn't even started yet. So we're gonna dive into this NFT market here. I gotta remind you, I do this show on Sundays, so a lot of the big stories from the past few days, we covered them yesterday. If you want to hear about where NFT Stats is working next, the Sappy Seals new collection, VFriends expiring in a couple months, well, just go back to yesterday's video. Check that out. It's just 6 minutes long. And on that note, let's dive right into the NFT market, starting here with the Forkast 500 NFT index. We're going to take a little more nuanced view here too. We're going to dive into other blockchains, but the Forkast 500 down in the red this morning, 0.33%. Now that index includes all of these blockchains, so if you're trading at ETH and Solana, you don't feel like you're down. And that's because you're not down at all. Ethereum up 0.87%, Solana up 1.08%, Polygon and Cardano both down in the red. NFT sales yesterday coming in at $50.6 million. Guys, that's still not counting Quantum Cats and RSIC. Those will be up on the site hopefully this week. And a huge day for trade profits, 3.6 million in the positive, our highest day of trade profits since I believe Christmas Day. And your weekly numbers are in, 320 million in cross-chain sales. You can add another 7 million from RSIC and Quantum Cats too. And guys, look how unique buyers is climbing while unique sellers is declining. Hey, it simply means people don't want to sell, they're holding, and there's a lot of buyers who want those NFTs. And then quickly checking the monthly, we did cross $1 billion in sales. Again, our third consecutive month here, a big month for NFTs. So what's moving this market? Well, we're checking CryptoSlam.io. The General Ordinals collection is at the #1 spot, followed by the Node Monkeys, Tensorians, Pandora, Fraganas, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Creeps, Sentry Node License back in the top 10, D-Market, and OMB Ordinal Maxi Biz rounds out the top 10. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum are neck and neck here in the blockchain rankings, but Bitcoin is your king. And man, oh man, we're seeing some incredible sales in the NFT market. A very nice Fidenza, I believe it's number 901, selling for 75 ETH. A couple Bitcoin shrooms fetching multiple Bitcoin. And guys, a lot of Bored Ape sales here in the top 10. Taking a look here at Magic Eden, because I really want you to see these floor prices, and I want you to see those collections that we're onboarding at CryptoSlam. Guys, send those nodes. Right now with a 0.4 Bitcoin floor, Bitcoin Puppets now up to 0.16, Quantum Cat's at 0.29. I'll tell you this, I think a lot of these collections you're looking at are gonna see a 1 Bitcoin floor. Now I'm talking peak FOMO market, but I really do think that'll happen. A lot of people ask me, what is your best way to get in the Bitcoin ecosystem and where do you get whitelists? Well, you can see here it's really expensive to get in those big boy projects, but the honey badgers, that's what I always tell people is a perfect starting point. Those were under 0.01 just a few days ago, and those honey badgers, they are arguably the first original 10K PFP collection on Bitcoin. This is not financial advice, of course, but if people are asking me what should they check out, well, of course, check out anything you see here. All of them are fantastic. But honey badgers, more affordable than most. They got the narrative. And full disclosure, I have a bunch of honey badgers. I minted those when they came out. I'm not selling them till they're like a 0.1 Bitcoin floor though, so I'm not dumping on you guys. Man, you know we're really back when high profile accounts are getting hacked and NFT scams are getting tweeted from their accounts. In the past few days here, Adrian Wojnarowski and also Caleb Pressley both getting their X accounts hacked, and they tweet this fake NBA Top Shot mint over on Ethereum. Yeah, unfortunately, people do still fall for this, but you gotta know, guys, the NFT space has moved away from those stealth mints. So if you're new to NFTs, this is for you especially. The big projects are not gonna drop out of nowhere mints on you. Don't go chase these kind of things. Now, you're back when the big scams start coming. You're also back when people are talking Metaverse. And yesterday we got news that a new Roblox-style Metaverse is coming from Krafton and Circle. Circle, the creator of USDC, and Krafton is the devs behind PUBG. So yeah, this is super interesting. No screenshots, no gameplay footage at all. But also, this isn't terribly surprising, knowing that Krafton is working on other Metaverse games. So these guys have gone hardcore Web3, and you love to see that. Okay, now this one isn't necessarily new, but we're talking about big names today, and this one fits perfectly. Guys, you know the game has an NFT collection? Well, that collection's been delisted from OpenSea for a while, I think because they're offering a token airdrop. I didn't realize that all these guys are making a game, and in this game now, they are burning down OpenSea. So you can see here, it's basically an Easter egg, but they got that burning ship out on the OpenSea. Tell you what, OpenSea's not making any friends here lately. On the one hand, I support all the builders in the space, and yes, especially OpenSea. But on the other, they're not great with communicating with projects why they're delisted, and in general, they just don't seem to listen to community feedback. But to be fair, we don't know their plans, we don't know what they're dealing with. But back to this story, I mean, that's how people feel about OpenSea right now. Now our friends are all coming home from NFT Paris. Give them a few days to get back in the swing of things here. But man, now the conference circuit is in full swing. ETH Denver going on right this moment and go until March 3rd. Gotta find a way to go to these conferences and start meeting you all. Because shortly after ETH Denver, man, we got NFT NYC coming up. Yeah, this one came up quick, but April 3rd to April 5th, NFT NYC. And then at the end of May, we've got Consensus down in Austin, Texas. Now, NFT NYC, I might try to make it, but VCon, that's a must attend. That's coming on August 9th through the 11th. Hitting up these conferences in a bull market is a different kind of energy, one you have to experience. Now, guys, remember at 6 p.m. Eastern time tonight, I'll be co-hosting the Lil Noun Show with Cardno in English. We've got a fantastic guest on called New Blast City, so join us over on X for the show. And then, guys, you got to check out the NFT Live Daily Show. That's coming at 1 p.m. today. And then this guy, well, I'll be back tomorrow with another NFT market update, hitting on all the latest happenings. Remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see ya.